Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can convert your Amazon shopping vouchers into cash. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, I am using the Amazon web browser version. You can do pretty much the same on the mobile phone. So that's just a disclaimer I wanted to get out of the way. And another disclaimer which I want to make is that you cannot technically directly turn Amazon vouchers into cash. Well, you probably even could. However, there is a caveat, which is that Amazon, in their terms of service, clearly states that you cannot resell your vouchers, you cannot refund them, and so on and so forth. However, this can be, I guess you could say, circumvented in a couple of ways, and I'll show you them right now. First and foremost is you can, of course, sell them in person, which is, again, most likely illegal and of course against terms of service. However, that is a possibility. I would not recommend it. Please follow the law of whichever country you are in. But that is one option which is available. Just wanted to make a disclaimer for you not to do that. Now, the other option, which is a much better and of course fully legal option, is to actually go and redeem your vouchers, which you do by going into gift cards and then redeeming a gift card and entering your balance or entering your code and then applying to your balance. Once you do that, your money will be on your Amazon account. You could write a support ticket to Amazon to request that they give you your money back on your bank account. However, another way, which is 100% guaranteed pretty much, however, it is a bit of a longer method. Just buy something off of Amazon for that amount of money and then resell it. Now, you might lose a bit of money in the process. However, that is just the cost of doing business, and it is 100% sure to return your money if you find a buyer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.